The doorbell was a door-to-door carpet cleaner. Asked if my dad was home.
Nice. That'll make up for that carpet cleaner asking to see your dad.
Yeah. So often, when I showed up to, like, look at the house, you know, to, like, inspect it and look it over before I bought it, I am sitting out in the front, and the guy who's here to let me in shows up. He's just sitting in his truck listening to the radio, and he's not coming out. Eventually, I walk up to him, and he rolls down his window. He's like, "Can I help you, kid?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm here to see the house." And he's just like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, sir." It was so funny. Everyone always thinks that I'm like the son of like the actual person that owns this house. It's funny.
Oh man, that's funny.
All right, so now you just gotta go all the way back up.